In the bustling heart of New York City's financial district, where steel and ambition meet, an unexpected figure stands as a powerful symbol. Have you ever wondered about the quiet strength of the Fearless Girl statue and what it truly represents to the world? The core message of the Fearless Girl statue is a powerful call for female empowerment, gender diversity in leadership, and challenging the status quo in the corporate world. Her defiant stance facing the charging bull symbolizes resilience and the urgent need for women's voices and presence in traditionally male-dominated spaces. This iconic bronze sculpture was initially installed by State Street Global Advisors in March 2017, specifically on International Women's Day. Its placement directly opposite the charging bull in Bowling Green was a strategic and highly symbolic move. The statue was part of a campaign to encourage companies to increase the number of women on their corporate boards, highlighting the significant gender imbalance that often exists at the highest levels of business. It quickly captured public attention, sparking conversations globally about workplace equality and the societal barriers women still face. To fully appreciate this powerful symbol, people can visit the statue in person, now located near the New York Stock Exchange. Beyond observing, it encourages everyone to reflect on the meaning of representation and to advocate for greater diversity and inclusion in all sectors. Supporting organizations that champion gender equality and educating ourselves on these issues helps amplify the statue's enduring call to action. The Fearless Girl statue was originally commissioned by State Street Global Advisors to promote their SHE exchange-traded fund, which invests in companies with strong gender diversity. This clever blend of art and advocacy led to some debate about its commercial origins versus its artistic merit. However, its impact transcended marketing, evolving into a global emblem for women's rights and a catalyst for broader dialogue about corporate responsibility and social change. Ultimately, the Fearless Girl statue serves as a constant, visible reminder that true progress requires courage, persistence, and a relentless pursuit of equal opportunity. Her enduring presence encourages us all to stand firm in our beliefs and to continue pushing for a world where every individual, regardless of gender, has the chance to lead and thrive.